At this stage, the findings remain preliminary. Thus, the ICI will be recommending that the Ombudsman evaluate whether personal and potential violations may exist on the part of the following individuals. Number 1, Engineer Henry C. Alcantara. Number 2, Engineer Bryce Erickson V. Hernandez. Number 3, Engineer Jaime R. Hernandez. Number 4, Ernesto C. Galan, also an engineer. Number 5, Engineer John Carlos C. Rivera. Number 6, Engineer John Michael E. Marcos. Number 7, Engineer Claudine Magdalene Magsakay. Number 8, Engineer Erica Justin P. Chico. And 9, Mr. Alan Payawal. Under the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, malversation, falsification under the revised penal code, Presidential Decree number 1759, and the Government Procurement Reform Act. In addition, the Commission will recommend that the Ombudsman assess whether there is potential violations of the Code of Conduct and ethical standards for public officers and employees may also exist on the part of the PWS Secretary Manuel Bonoan, former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, and former Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Again, the Commission emphasizes that it does not make categorical findings of guilt and that this responsibility for the term may exist and rests with the proper authorities. This interim report is intended to assist in ensuring accountability in our infrastructure program and in protecting the integrity of public funds. I just like to repeat, honesty is the best policy. No one is above the law. Thank you. At this juncture, I would like to call our volunteer lawyer who is resigning effective May 11. Attorney Jana Minemor. She travels from Santo Tomas, Batangas every day. So she has to be cooperative. Can we give her a round of applause? Thank you, Jana. I'll be allowing you maybe 4 questions. Any question?
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Chair.
I can stand up and I have some props para visual naman. Yeah, okay.
Your referral, does it only pertain to the evaluation and assessment of the mentioned officials, or are you already recommending the filing of charges before these people in the Ombudsman?
Well, it's better to say it's referral. Actually, it's the same, recommending referral is almost the same. But referral will be a subtle way of giving the records to the Ombudsman, you know. But we are just the data gatherer, evidence gatherer, so it is up to the Ombudsman to really determine the action to be taken against these public officials.
So this is for now, you're just asking the Ombudsman to investigate these people and not to recommend to file charges yet?
No, it's up to them to evaluate. Because I think that's their discretion. We cannot force them to file. That's all.
No.
Hi po, Justice. Tom from DCMM. Sir, question lang. Dun sa previous recommendation niya sa Ombudsman, Code of Conduct lang din yung pinaka-evaluate niyo na naging paglabag or possibly naging paglabag nila DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, former DPWH Secretary, and then yung mga undersecretary. Tapos ngayon, ganun pa rin po. Yun lang po ba yung nakita nyo na paglabag? I mean, yun sa other flood control projects? Kasi parang other people are wondering bakit parang yung pinakamaliit or pinakamagaan lang na case yung
Well, as I said the other day, we need whistleblowers. We need more. We need to compile more evidence. But right now, it's best that we recommend administrative liability on their part. As to the criminal, it can be a case built up by the ombudsman. But we are already referring their names to the ombudsman. So that's a big achievement on our part.
Sorry, last lang po. May criticism din kasi na parang puro mga small fishes, yung mga, yung kagaya po nung nabanggit ko kay Bonon and others, wala
Yes,
pa.
as I said, we need whistleblowers because there is no connection from DPWH to the proponent. We have not connected with the proponent, so maybe it will be the ombudsman that can gather the evidence to connect these people charged to the proponent. Because it's hard naman to just say that a case is in this district and the congressman that is the one person really involved. So it has to be established. But I think the ombudsman has ample powers and enough personnel to be able to determine that. But again, I reiterate, kailangan namin mga nagsasalita, na nagsusumbong, nagtuturo. No? Kasi, as I said the other day, these are criminal minds eh. Mga mastermind to eh. These are planned already na hindi sila mahuhuli. No? So, maybe walang record, walang usapan. So, at that point, I appeal to those people who have knowledge to come out and support us. No? Thank you.